Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Bert Ferguson here, realtor with Rush Realty out of Dover, Delaware, serving Delaware, Maryland, and Pennsylvania. Also of GetMoneyGuru.com, your sales and business coaching website where we teach you everything from e-commerce, starting your business, scripts for sales, mindset techniques, books, media, all the things you need to go from point A to point B for low money in business. Coming to you guys for Bookworm Wednesday. So today is Bookworm Wednesday. As you guys know, I come to you guys every single week with a book that I am reading. This week I'm getting back to basics. As you all know, I am a realtor and a co-owner of a real estate brokerage. And this book right here is everything you need to know about being successful in the real estate game. If you're looking to become a realtor, real estate broker, anything like that in the real estate game, this is the first book that you must have. This is The Millionaire Real Estate Agent by Gary Keller. Gary Keller is of the famous Keller Williams, one of the top brokerages in the United States. Shout out to anyone who's at Keller Williams. This is the reason why we started our own brokerage. We want to be the next Keller Williams. We went into the game and said, we're not just going to go in and be regular agents. We want ownership. This book teaches you how to get there, okay? Everything from following up, how many touches per client you need to have, how many times you need to get with the client, how you go out and procure clients, how to get listings. It really also teaches you leverage. It teaches you how to not only become a real estate agent, but become a business person. It teaches you how listings are leveraged, how to go and get listings, how many touches, like lead generation database models. It's got everything in here that you need to get your real estate business going for low money. It's very much so the book that will change your real estate trajectory if you haven't read it. And if you have read it, always go back and check it out. In real estate, what I find is in my business, from time to time, I go back to the basics. And right now, we're in quarter four, we're in the fourth quarter of the year, the last business quarter of the fiscal year, and of the calendar year, excuse me. And around this time every year, I like to reflect and I like to ramp up for my next year. This book really helps me do that. It helps me figure out what's working, what's not working, and what I want to do to zero in on my business. So all my real estate people out there, make sure you have this book. If you're trying to get into real estate and you don't have this book, you're slipping. So make sure you get a copy of The Millionaire Real Estate Agent. You can also check it out online, probably on YouTube for the audio, from an audiobook people. But basically what you're gonna really get from this game or from this book is how to chart your course, what you can and can't do, how to think like a millionaire, the 9 ways millionaire real estate agents think, from think power, think big goals, possibility, action, progress, think competitively and strategically, think service, fundamental models of real estate sales success, your budget, your lead generation, your organizational model, marketing, everything. Sustaining a solid lead generation program, knowing the minimum number of seller listings you must list each month. And it also teaches you how to track your numbers. When you're in business, you must know your numbers. How many calls do I need to make to go on an appointment? How many appointments do I need to set to get a deal? How many deals do I need to get to a settlement? How many of those actions are creating me to get to settlements and to get to contracts and to get to appointments? You need to know your numbers. This book teaches you all the numbers that you need to know, right? How many touches am I getting per client? All of that stuff. So, Millionaire Real Estate Agent, that's my book for this week. I'm really gonna set on this book for the remainder of the year and get back to the basics. And 2021, I'm really excited to see what we do at Rush Realty. So, that's it for today for Bookworm Wednesday. You can find me online, Facebook, Bert Ferguson Realtor, Twitter and Instagram at BFergRealtor, all one word. Check me out on all of those websites. You can also see me on YouTube. Just check out Bert Ferguson Realtor on YouTube. My page will pop up. And yeah, that's it for Bookworm Wednesday. You guys hope have a successful continuation of your week, and I'll see you next week. All right, bye.